So you want to know if your best friend, girlfriend, dad, or even your bus driver is a psychopath? Of course you do. The thing is, I don't know anything about that. Scenario 1. So your friend looks very tired, and when you ask about it, he doesn't want to talk. In this situation, there are two things that possibly could have happened. He might have been drugging your teacher for giving him an 87, or he could have been just jizzing to My Little Pony porn. So either way, he's a fucking psychopath and you should probably call the cops. Okay, scenario 2. Your boss has been acting weird. In this case, he's probably not a psychopath. He's probably just trying to get together with his wife, who is probably gonna leave him for a guy named Steven McMoneybags. The last scenario. Your friend is saying how much she likes BuzzFeed. Yeah, she's fucking mental. It's a lost cause and you should probably GTFO.